Hello, everyone. Why is it so noisy outside? Ah! Unboxing of unboxing of a pouch. I thought it was gonna be a box. At least it wasn't. It's a damn pouch. I think these are my albums. Yeah, I think it's the album. I can feel the album. Anyways, 안녕하세요. This is a very scuffed unboxing video with live dogs in the background because Philippines. Anyways, I'm going to put picture here of the stuff I bought. Post editing self, do your thing. Okay, they double thinged it. Oh, 나의 강아지가 진짜 시끄러. 아 왜? Anyways, did it. Secured as well. Also, cut away. Don't do it like me. Oh my god, I see it. I see them. The smell. I'm so excited! Okay. It's in the box. The limited and the other stuff are in the box. I'm going to trade during the event that Insomnia PH or Insomnia Philippines is planning for GAHYEON's birthday. It'll be on the 24th. First one, the normal albums. I'll put it here, the stuff that I want, which are obviously GAHYEON, because I'm a GAHYEON collector. I love all the girls, but I do not want to splurge my money to collect all 7 of them. I would like to only collect one person. I can't even imagine collecting 2 because my wallet can't handle it. So please do not hate me for collecting my favorite member. Can I spell curse? My bad. It should be S. S first before R. I mean after R. I mean before E. I only have one U because I already have a U, which I use for, I like making what do you call those things? Dividers. So I recycle either photo books or like pages from album. Yogi na. Vivo! The light is okay, there we go. This one. So I got this one from that album. So my plan is to get the half-heart one. Anyways, you will see here. The ones that I want. Is my... Yeah, it is moving. Can you not move, please? Can you not move? Yeah, it's shrinking by itself. Wait. Technical difficulties! Are you back? I think we're back. I think it's higher now, but it's fine. Fighting. Do I need to do a ritual? Yun na... Can't see but yun here. Yun na. Please come home. Yun na. Please come home. Okay? Wow. 1, 2, quick! Jiu, okay. We got the bias record. I am scared. Start! 1, 2, 3, shwang! I got Rose! Let's go! What's the other one? I don't know whose signature is this. I'm stupid. Is it Dong Dong? Dong Dong! Oh! It's the... Oh! I actually like this one. But I'm not collecting Dong Dong, so... Where? Oh, wait. It's giving me the members that I want to collect but don't collect. Okay. We're down 1. We have 6 more. Ah, Jemal! Yun na! Please! I already saw the photo card. God damn it. I saw ketchup. I saw ketchup Suwa. Okay, I saw ketchup Suwa. Why is Suwa coming home? Actually, it's good that Suwa's coming home. Because shit happened. Oh, wait, come on. Wait. Ah! Dong Dong! Ah, shit! Ah! Oh my god. If this is Jiu, I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna start screaming, honestly. It's again. It's again. We have Suwa Rose, everyone. Suwa! Kada! That's perfect, actually. This is for Lily. I'm going to give it to her. This is good. I just need a folded poster. A folded poster if I'm gonna get one. And then, I'm gonna give it to Lily. Because she's been through a lot. I'm going to link what happened to her package in the description of this video. Because fuck the parcel, the delivery service. Fuck that shit. 진짜로? 아씨. 와, 김보라. 와. Okay. We are 3 out of 7. 수왕 언니 그만해 제발. I'm missing a photo card. I think I have to. Eh? Oh. You win. Wah! Yeah. 3 out of 7. I still haven't got one of these. It's fine. I can trade. Hopefully, I can trade. Roses already. I have 3. What do I do? Do I collect by 4th? Please don't jinx it, Linda. Please don't jinx it. Hey! I see Dong Dong. I see Dong Dong Dart already. Dong Dong Dart. And I got G. Dong Dong Dart. And Minji on me. It's all my... Wow! I don't know what to do. I don't know what kind of ritual do I have to do so I can get... Where? If this is the case, give me GAHYEON. GAHYEON and Xion. Oh. No, do it. Wing. Oh my god. Okay, OT7 Rose, let's go. We have 2 more. Please bring her home. I'm back. Jebal. Please come home. 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 What? It's Dadong. Shit. We have what? We have one more. Oh God. This is the string PC. Anyway. Please. 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 Yuyan folded poster. Yuyan folded poster. Wow! Ew. I got one. I see Tion. I see Suwa. It's ketchup and Suwa. I did not get a single Yuhyun. At least I got a folded poster. On to the next unboxing, which is the limited, which is the one that I'm dreading because it's really hard. Especially I only got one version. I mean, one piece. I get you more. Anyways. I'm going to save those. Or should I save this best for? No, I should save those. No! If I sing the One Piece song, it might be Chopper handle. What do I sing? Magic. Le baguette, Hari, Yuyon, Deval, come home. This is the postcard. This is the OT7 postcard. G. I got Minji. Oh, this is the OOTD card. OOTD card. Pew! G. I see Dami. I get Dami. I get Dami and Sua. I get Dami and Sua. Wow. Kim Yoo-hyun. Shout out to Leia from K-pop Matters Philippines. This is the Make-Star Polka album. And then this is I think it's K-Town POB version 2, the lipstick one. And then we have a Special Agent, which is a Make-Star Polka album POB 2. And then we have the Looking Photo card. There we go. Locked Inside 7 Doors. This one. Now this I have to pray for, because I want 2 specific QR cards, and then 2 specific photo cards. It's gonna be here. I forgot to do this for the limited one, so I'm just going to look it there. Yes, I got one. Yes, okay, cross this out. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. These are my wants, but not really my priors. But okay. 1, 2, 3. Asa! Okay. Don't tell me it's the... God damn! Why you gotta do me this dirty, bro? The other 2. I need to look for the other 2 or the other one. I can't remember. My brain is gone. It's fleeting. I cry. But it's alright because it's GAHYEON. But still, should I? Should I even let you guys in the... Nah. Annyeong.